In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and tapping on biometrics and password. Now select face recognition at the top and enter your current login method. Now you can disable or enable Raise to Wake feature here, and when you're ready, tap on Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, hit Home button. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!